In this quick tutorial, I'll show how to easily combine any number of PDF documents into a single file using the completely free website called Tinywow. So let's get started. First step is to go to the website. You can go to Tinywow and choose from there, but you have a link in the description for easier access. And now all you need to do is to upload files from your computer. Just click here, upload from PC or mobile, or if you have a folder prepared with your files, go to your folder here, select both these PDF files and just drag and drop to your browser. And drag it here inside. Release the left mouse button and it will upload the file. And over here you can zoom in to see your files better, or you can separate this by pages. If you click pages, you will see multiple pages. You can also add multiple files. If you click here, it's the same, so you can click here and add a file, and after you are satisfied, just click merge. After the processing is finished, you will see your merged file. Over here you can keep editing, start over, or hit download button and save to device. And for example, go to your desktop. I already have my merged PDF from the testing purposes, so I click it here. Click save, overwrite the previous file, and now you can see if I click it, I have two files merged together. If you want to make your digital life easier, be sure to check out this full playlist right here. It's packed with simple free tools that will help you handle all your PDF files and save you a ton of time. Thanks for watching.